Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today we are making original Tom Brown using only 4 ingredients. Okay, so guys, keep on watching and enjoy this video to the end and subscribe if you are new. Okay, so yes, we are going to start with the video. So I am going to be using 2 bowls of soya beans. Have you seen that this soya beans is very nice? And I'm also going to be using 2 bowls of wheat, okay, and also half bowl of groundnuts, and also 2 bowls of rice. You can use any rice of your choice. This is the bowl that I use in the measurement. Okay, so guys, you have to start making your fire. Okay, you have to make your fire and then put your pot on it, and of course you have to pour in which one you want to start frying or toasting. So the soya beans is on and I am toasting it. Okay, so you have to toast it until it browns nicely. Yes, so when it browns nicely, then you pour it into a white place to get it, for it to start cooling. Okay, so yeah, for the seeds you need to pick the bad ones out. Yeah, if you have time, you can wash them, dry them before you start toasting. Okay, so yes, the groundnut is here and I'm toasting that one as well. Yes, so the groundnut, I measured 4 cups from the half the bowl. I measured 4 cups of it to all the 2 bowls of the other 3 ingredients. Okay, for this measurement is very important. Okay, you need like 1 part of protein to 2 other part of carbo, you understand? So, or 3 other part of carbo. There's a very good reason why we are doing that kind of measurement. So when your groundnut is well toasted or roasted, you have to pour it and add to the soya beans. Okay, and next is the rice. Guys, this rice is not polished rice, yet there is no stone in it. Okay, you can use local rice as well if you want to use local rice. I use local rice before and it's very nice. Okay, so yes, so I also just toasted the 2 bowls of the rice, and yeah, you have to let it get like brown like this, very nice, like you are seeing right now. Do not let it burn, or else your Tom Brown is going to taste bitter and it will not look nice at all. Don't let any of the ingredients to burn. Okay, so the last one we'll be toasting is the wheat. Yeah, for this one you might not be able to tell if it is ready or not, but you have to just be vigilant and let it toast for a while. Okay, yes, so this is the wheat. It is well toasted and I'm also adding it to the pile of the ingredients. I kept it in this wide container lid because I want it to cool completely before I send it to the grinding mill, guys. Okay, so this is me just mixing everything together. Sometimes I do add date and tiger nut, but this one, it is a request from someone. Okay, someone wants it in this bulk like this without the tiger nut and dates. So yes, I do add tiger nut and dates for some of my customers who needs it. Okay, so here I am going to the grinding mill, guys. Yes, so I am going to the grinding mill right now to get it blended. Yes, so guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. You need to do that because I bring interesting videos to this channel. Okay, so yes, before you go to the grinding mill, you have to let all this cool down completely. And yeah, you have to let it cool down completely. It's very important. Okay, so yes, I poured in my cereal, my Tom Brown mix, into the grinding mill, and here am I telling him he has to grind it 4 times. Okay, because it must be smooth. He has to grind it like 4 times for it to be very smooth. for you to be able to enjoy your Tom Brown. Okay, this is Ghana tastiest Tom Brown. This is the original way of making Tom Brown and its measurement. Just take a look at how this Tom Brown is looking, guys. This is very nice. It smells nicely. Yeah, and this is our final look. This is how the Tom Brown is. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Bye.